So I didn't really do any vlogging. Um, I didn't do too much vlogging this time. I have some good clips. I missed some good clips, but I'm just taking a break. I just noticed some this man just put this rum here and walked off. I'm in this bar by myself. Good thing I don't like rum like that because I sure would have a shot. Nobody would know because I'm in here by myself. Yeah. This one little shop on the road, so I stopped. I'm by myself. Yeah, this is I'm in the heat. You see all this? This is heat, wave heat. This heat is for real. But I stopped at this little shop to get some water. This cold water is hard to come by. Like it's always hot water. You have a cold, you have cold water, hot water. All right, whatever. I'm thirsty, so here and I stop. You know what? This is why the bottle here, so I can sit my phone down. This is why the bottle is here. So I came in here to burn some sage because the energy is crazy. You know, now the energy is not right for me. I have to go recharge. I need to be away from people. I don't want to be around people when I'm trying to recharge, especially around the people that's draining your energy. So I came here to light my sand. Oh, I meant to ask him for light. So I came here to light this. For some reason, it's hard to light. It's a lot of wind out there, but it's a lot of heat at the same time. If you get your car washed, well, now they starting to build regular car washes. But if you get your car washed in Jamaica, because they don't have car washes like we have car washes all over. Like we so spoiled because they do it by hand and people have power washers. Sometimes they don't. They do everything by hand. I'm so impatient with this. It's like I swear it seemed like it take 2 hours, and I'm so impatient when it comes to that. So I feel like I've been waiting 2 hours already because that's what I'm doing. I'm waiting for my car to get clean.